For the first time in history, the World Telecommunication Standardization Assembly was held in Asia. New Delhi, India, hosted the world's tech community to establish new global agreements to shape our digital future. With 3,700 delegates, 160 countries, 20 special events, policymakers, industry leaders and tech experts set priorities for ITU's work to bring key innovations to a global scale.
Let's ensure that standards help to level the playing field for innovation.
ITU standards support innovation on a global scale. This innovation must lead to safe and secure AI, universal connectivity, sustainable digital transformation, and a better life for everyone, everywhere.
The work we are doing on standards is not only focused on the technical standards, but also on creating capacity.
We hope that we all will be able to contribute jointly to the setting up of new standards for the next decade.
Standardization will lay guidelines, it will finalize specifications. The AI deployments which will follow these guidelines will ensure trustworthiness, will ensure security, and will follow the principles of ethical AI deployment.
New technologies are creating strong connections between all industries. This convergence has called for new ITU standards for some years now, but AI has turbocharged this trend.
WTSA-24 concludes with 8 new resolutions on AI, metaverse, sustainable digital transformation, digital public infrastructure, automated driving, emergency communications, and more, setting the stage for our digital future.
Together, let's write a digital future that is more connected, that's secure, that's responsible, and that is sustainable for all.